In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and operate it however you want to. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and to open it again, tap on the bubble. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this line at the top and use all of those. If you want to move your window, hold the same line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To close it though, just open Background Apps and swipe your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!